Imagine exhilaration, exploration and an experience of a lifetime all combined in one cruise holiday. Whether you choose to go tropical or a little wild, this ship can be summed up in one word: bliss. The Splash Academy Youth Programme will feature separate spaces for kids aged 3 to 12. The ship's arcade will be located in between the two spaces. Teens have their own space in the Entourage Teen Club, from which they can come and go as they like. Activities offered here might include movies, art classes, video game competitions, dance parties and much more. Hi everyone, thanks very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe below, and remember to click the bell to get those notifications turned on. And if you're looking for more fantastic travel content like this, then click on the videos to the right. It will be really informative. Or you can click on the planet logo to the left and go to our website for some really fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.